Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I begin my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sofia Anggita Rispa. I will present my presentation about stereotype. What is a stereotype? A stereotype is generalization of people groups based on past experience, which are deep rooted in the psyche of the people. In another definition, it said the stereotype is a fixed idea or image that many people have a particular type of person, thing, or event, but sometimes it is not true in reality. The term stereotype itself, allegedly used for the first time by Walter Lippmann in 1922, is used today to mean readily available image of given social group, usually based on rogue, often negative generalization. Although stereotypes can be positive as well as negative, they are in everyday use most often understood irrationally. Based negative attitude about certain social group and their members. Many people see stereotypes as rigid generalities that members of society impose on others with whom they are unfamiliar or do not understand. The less we know about the other, the more we hang on stereotypes. If the stereotype is well grown and justifiable, it may help to orient oneself in a certain situation. But if it unjust and loaded with negative emotion, it will harm the interaction without question. Kinds of stereotypes. Stereotype has four kinds. First, nationality stereotypes. Second, racial stereotypes. Third, political stereotypes. Fourth, gender stereotypes. Let me explain one by one. First, nationality stereotype. Generalization about cultures or nationality can be source of pride, danger, or simply bad jokes. Some people say that in all stereotypes there is some basis in reality, as they do not develop in vacuum. This system includes beliefs concerning those properties of human beings that may vary across nations, such as appearance, language, food, habit, psychological traits, attitude, value, and each other. Here are some national stereotypes famous in the world. American, arrogant, assertive, open-minded, materialistic, ambitious, progressive, efficient, straightforward, alert, practical, youth-centered, work few, egoistic, anxious, fast food eaters. British or UK, lousy food, bad teeth and hygiene, rude, thin, smoke cigar or pipe, heavy drinkers, swear all day long, artistic, deep thinkers, intelligent and articulate, boastful, anti-American, ride bikes. Chinese, stingy and noisy speakers, fast learners, open-minded, ambitious, progressive, efficient, materialistic, do kung fu and other martial arts, great at mathematics, terrible driver, arrogant, assertive, wear glasses, cheap labor, drink green tea, business-oriented, money rules the world. Indonesian, extrovert, warm, and friendly people, lazy, religious, family-oriented, supportive, rarely on time, corrupt, superstitious, slow, inferior, polite, lacking discipline, use feeling not logic, do not follow rules, hypocritical, tolerant, low profile, unwilling to comfort or give bad news, silent in meetings. South Korean. Kimchi is the only food, open-minded, ambitious, progressive, efficient, materialistic, arrogant, assertive, plastic surgery lover. Jeju is the most famous place serial drama makers. Second, racial stereotype. A system of belief about typical characteristics of members of given ethnic group or nationality. Their status, society, and cultural norms about one's own ethnicity, nationality, or about a virgin or differing nationality or ethnicity. Stereotype about one's own nation may aid in maintaining a nationality identity due to a collective relatability to a trait or characteristic. There are examples of racial stereotypes. The Asian are stereotyped to be good at mathematics. The Black are stereotyped to be good at athletics and dancing. This can be regarded as positive stereotypes. Other stereotype, like all Muslims are terrorists, is a negative stereotype. Third, political stereotypes. These stereotypes have been deep-rooted in the mindset of the general public because of the general interpretation of the policy of a political party. Political stereotypes include all Democrats are liberals, all Republicans are racist, religion-based parties are hypocrites, all Democrats are stupid, and all Republicans are against the working man. Fourth, gender stereotypes. Simplistic generalization about the gender attributes, difference and roles of individuals and or groups. When people automatically apply gender assumption to others rigidly of evidence to the contrary, they are perpetuating gender stereotyping. Female stereotype role is to marry and have children. She is also to put her family welfare before her own. Be loving, compassionate, caring, nurturing, and sympathetic. The male stereotype role is to be the financial provider. He is also to be assertive, competitive, independent, courageous, and career-focused. Hold his emotion in check. This sort of stereotype can prove harmful. They can stifle individual expression and creativity, as well as hinder personal and professional growth. In literature and art, stereotypes are quick or predictable character or situation. Related to this, Violet H. Harada conducted a research about stereotypes and bias in Eurasian Asian American fiction for adolescents. Several generalizations emerged from this study. The prevailing image of Asian American as a member of a model minority appeared in over half of the fiction. To a lesser extent, Asian American characters were described as Asian in physical but strive to be American on the inside. Inaccurate or restricted mention of cultural detail also occurred. Positive side of stereotypes. Stereotypes are useful for the human brain because they operate as a heuristic or a cognitive mechanism to quickly gather, process, and synthesize information. People use stereotypes as shortcuts to make sense of their social context. This makes the task of understanding one's world less cognitively demanding. Other positive sides of stereotypes are, first, people rely on the stereotypes are every day to help them function in society. Second, to allow people to quickly process new information about an event or person. Third, to organize people's past experience. Fourth, to meaningfully assess difference between individuals and groups. Fifth, to make predictions about other people's behavior. Negative side of stereotypes. The problem lies in the assumption that all people of a group with which they might not even identify, are the same. Stereotyping can lead to prejudice or negative perceived judgments about a group of people. The application of prejudice to a given individual can cause personal and social damage. Other negative sides of stereotypes are, first, oversimplified generalization. Second, breeding ground for erroneous generalization. Third, serve as a major source of disinformation about others. Fourth, may easily conquer or feed into prejudice, racism, sexism, and other forms of bigotry. They link with stereotypes. The key to repressing negative stereotypes is to contradict them in direct interaction between people, in the media, and through education. Between individuals, once people get to know a person from the other side, they often will determine the other is not nearly as bad as they originally had assumed. When they come to understand that the other is afraid of being hurt or losing a loved one in war, just as they are, that brings people together. Getting to know people personally helps to break down negative image. This is especially true when people determine that they actually have things in common with people from the other side. Depending on the context and other interaction, the image of the group as whole may become more positive as well. But even learning that person can deviate from the stereotype is a start. Developing such mutual understanding is the goal of many intervention efforts in war-torn areas and in places rocked by social unrest. Dialogue groups and problem-solving workshops are two common ways of doing this. In the media also plays an important role in both perpetuating and in breaking down stereotypes. They are likely to be perpetuating negative stereotypes and making conflict worse by they emphasize the positive and aspect of groups that contradict prevalent stereotypes. In education, educational institutions and teaching materials also have the opportunity to affect stereotypes and hence influence intergroup relations. Educational system, teachers, schools, textbooks need to also try to paint a fair and accurate picture of the conflict and the different people involved, being aware that different sides of a conflict will view what is happening very differently. Teachers can help students learn to understand and appreciate each other better while protecting the safety of those on both sides. If the classroom only contains one group, reaching such intergroup understanding is harder but still worth the effort through books and article discussion, TV and movie, and when available online exercise. However, eliminating stereotypes is not possible, or if it were done, it would be detrimental to human cognition. They are mental structures which simplify the complex stimuli from one's environment and facilitate their compression. There is nothing wrong with stereotypes if they are aimed in reality and promote the understanding of social and historical process. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.